Hey guys, Mike here. Just finishing up some work on my grill. I had to change the handle around. So I want to tell you about these CRAFTSMAN wrench sets. So there's a metric and a SAE or standard. So this is a metric set, the standard set. The interesting thing about these is you're going to need both, especially working on something like this. That was a 10 millimeter nut on the inside, but if I'm going to change out and add another thermostat to this, this is a 7/8 bolt. So you need a metric and a standard set. But I love these CRAFTSMAN wrenches. They're strong, they're sturdy. I love the organization of them. I put them right in the toolbox like this. And when I need to go outside and work on something, my truck, the grill, I just pick up the whole set and I go. So I have whatever I need. Again, the CRAFTSMAN metric and standard wrench sets. Combination 12-point box end and then the open end. So the combination wrench sets by CRAFTSMAN. You know their quality. Have a great rest of your day.